Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another interesting vlog. Okay, my beautiful people, thank you for clicking on this video. Like I always say, I really do appreciate you all for clicking. Both my new viewer, thank you so much for joining the family. I mean I'm already hoping you will do that. Okay, so please, if you're new, if this is your first time watching my video, thank you for doing that. I will appreciate you to join the family by subscribing to my channel. Okay, and to my return viewer, my return subscribers, I really do love you all. Thank you for the constant support shown to my channel. So my darlings, today's video is all about how I spent the day. Okay, and I'm taking you guys along with me, everything that I did today. So yes, I started the day with making breakfast for my kids. By the time I got up in the morning, I realized there was not bread in the house, so I decided to bake banana bread. And everybody in my home, everybody in the house seems to love this banana bread. Yeah, so I did all the mixing and baked. Okay, my darlings, please, if you would like to see a recipe video, I mean a detailed recipe video of how I bake banana bread, drop it in the comment section and I'll be more than glad, okay, to do something about it. Now look at the face of this bread. Doesn't it look nice? I mean, look at the face of this bread. Look at that. Oh my god. So my darlings, I went ahead to make oats. This oats is already mixed. I blended it together with nuts, and I have a video of how I make nutty oats. Okay, I will definitely drop the link to that video in the description box, just in case you're interested to see how I mixed nuts together with the oats. Is very healthy. I mean, it's very nutritious. Now look at this food, look at this breakfast. I mean, just take a good look at this banana bread. My darlings, I would definitely okay, do a recipe video of how I bake banana bread. It's so moist and so sweet, so nice, so amazing. If you've been watching my videos by now, you already know that I love food. I love good homemade food. Okay, my darlings, now let's continue with the rest of the day.
Girls, yes, Mommy. Are you ready?
Yes, Mommy.
Are you ready to go?
Yes, Mommy.
You're ready to go make your hair?
Yes.
Thank you, my baby. So what? Okay. Sarima, come, let me see. Come, baby, come. What are you holding? The cat. You're not taking it to the salon. Okay? Okay, so you have to keep the balloon as well, okay? Please. Take care of what? Balloon. Oh, let's start going. Bye-bye. Welcome to your what? Let's go.
My darlings, I'm so much in a hurry right now because I'm going to make my kids' hair.
and today happens to be a public holiday. Okay, I'm not even sure of what today's date is, but while I'm editing this video, I'll definitely write the date in the caption. Okay, but right now I'm so much in a hurry to go make my girl's hair. Oh my god, oh my god. I mean, throughout the weekend I didn't have the time to, you know, take them to the salon because I was so busy trying to get things done. Okay, but right now I'm taking them to the salon to go make their hair. Okay, so
I'm not supposed to join this video.
you are.
Why?
Okay, so yeah.
Let me hide.
Somebody's hiding. She does not want to show her face, but you already know who it is. If you want to know who the person is, just check my previous video. You will see her. She's the person. She does not want to show her face. I better show your fine face with your fine hair, Jerry.
I didn't find my ring way just for Nana.
Your ring is a lie.
God no go gree that kind of thing. Victor no go chew me.
I need to jack this thing up.
Can you jack it up?
Okay, so right now I'm rushing to go make my girl's hair. Okay, like I already mentioned, today is public holiday. Today is Monday, and I'm sure the salons will be filled up, my darlings. I wish I had done this over the weekend. I mean, I wish I had done this over the weekend, but I had a lot of things to do as a mother, and I love living an organized life. I hate chaotic life. I mean, I don't have a maid, so I don't have a house help. Like, let me use the general word. I don't have a house help, so I love, you know, doing things and keeping things in order. I hate looking for things. I know I've said this in one of my vlogs. I hate looking for things. So yeah, that's why I like putting things in order. Like as of yesterday, I've already, you know, ironed my kids' uniforms from Monday to Friday. You know, just, you know, sort out things. And today I need to go make their hair. And by tomorrow, school runs starts again for the new week. Yeah, so let's go. Let's go. Okay, my girls are sleeping. They are sleeping. I need to wear my seatbelt though. Even if I'm going, where I'm going to is not far. I'm just within the estate. Just within the estate. Just within the estate. Girls, are you still sleeping? These girls are really sleeping. I'm waiting for my sister-in-law. She's closing the gate. So this is the wool I'll be using to make my girl's hair. This baby wool is what I'm using to make their hair. So yeah. So my darlings, just like I speculated, all the salons in the area was filled up with kids. I mean, it was a public holiday, so apparently mothers decided to make their kids' hair on this particular day. Okay, so I had to remember this very old customer of mine, and she was so happy to see me. Give me hand that bag. I don't miss you. Alpha. Don't see me. How are you?
I carry my baby, they go here.
Go a beg.
They go here.
Don't miss you, Abby. You don't find me.
You
don't find me.
So yeah, she eventually made my kids' hair, but first we had to wait for her to finish making the high school student hair that she was on before we got there. I mean, I was so happy that it was just one person. Okay, so she started with my first daughter's hair. Okay, my first daughter is so matured. She doesn't disturb at all when she's making her hair. Okay, I mean, she even loves making her hair, and she also loves helping out, okay, with, you know, giving of the wool and all of that. Yeah. My second daughter also made her hair for the very first time. This lady really tried. My second daughter does not really have hair. Okay, we're managing her hair. But I was so happy the lady was able to pick her hair. So on our way back, I got some more bananas for other breakfast recipes, which I will also be sharing with you guys in another vlog. Okay, my darlings, so after we got home, my kids, they had their dinner, of course, and then we ended the day with homework. The next day was Tuesday, back to school runs. Yeah, so we ended the day with homework as usual. Now look at my 4 years old handwriting. This is beautiful. This is beautiful, my darlings. I started my channel with educative videos of how I, help my kids with home lessons. Just in case you want to see those kind of videos, those kind of content, I will also drop the link to those videos in the description box, so you will see how I help her with her handwriting skill. I have a video on that. Okay, my darlings, so I have obviously come to the end of today's video. Thank you so very much for watching. Please do not forget to like this video. If you have not liked it at this point, please do not go without liking this video. And to my new viewer, please do not forget to subscribe if you haven't done that yet. Thank you, my darlings. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.